Hello world, welcome to DCodeMania. I am Sahil and you are watching 15th video of the project User Management System with Admin Panel. In previous videos, you have seen that how I have designed the profile page. Now today in this video, I am going to show you how to make edit profile and change password form functional. Okay, so let's start. So open your project. Now here you can see this is the profile.php file. So in this file, let's go to edit profile form. So this is our edit profile form tag, and this form tag contains ink type attribute. Okay, so I am using this ink type attribute in this form tag because I am also uploading an image using this form. Okay, so now here I will also use an id attribute in this form tag. So here in id just write profile hyphen update hyphen form. Okay, now I will use this id in jQuery coding. So just copy this id and go below. Now here just use another script tag, and then first what I will do here is I will use document.ready function, and inside this, when the document is ready, then here I will send an Ajax request. So here I will write a comment first, profile update Ajax request. Okay, now here I will select the form using profile update form id, and here I will use submit event and function a parameter e, and then I will use e dot prevent default method to stop the page refresh when we submit the form. Okay, now next we will send the Ajax request with all the form input field details. Okay, so here I will use url, and in url I will use assets/php/process.php. okay, so I will send all the form details to this process.php file. Okay, now I will use method post. Okay, so just write post here, and I will also use process data will be false, and content type will be also false, and cache will be also false. Now data will be our form data. So here I will use new form data class, and here I will pass this keyword. Okay, now here why I am using form data class, because using this form data class we can send image image details to the server. Okay, that's why here I am using form data class name. Now what I will do next is I will use success function, and here I will pass response. Now for now here I will use console.log to display the response. Now if we go to profile.php file, then here we will handle the Ajax request for profile update. So here I will write handle profile update Ajax request. Okay, and here I will use an if statement, it's set, and here I will use super global variable files, and here I will write image. Okay, now if we go to profile.php file, and if we go to edit profile form, then here in form there is a input field with type file, and name attribute has value image. Okay, so I am checking this image is set or not. Okay, so if this image is set, then we will execute this if statement. Okay, so for now I am using print r and use this super global variable files and save this. Go to your browser, refresh, and go to edit profile. Just open your console. Now select any image and click on update profile. So here in console we are getting all the properties of the image. Okay, like name, type, tmp underscore name, error, and size of the image. Okay, and other input fields values are not getting here. So for this we can use super global variable post method. Okay, so just use post and let's see what happens. So if we refresh again, go to edit profile. Now select any image from here, select gender, select any date, and type any random phone number and click on update profile. So now we are getting both the both like first image in array, all the details of image in array, and all the input field details in another array. Okay, so here you can see name, gender, date of birth, and phone. Okay, now let's close this. Come here in process.php file. Now just remove these two lines. Now first what I will do is I will also create a method for updating profile of an user in auth.php file. So here just below I will write a comment, update profile of an user. Okay, now here I will write public function update underscore profile, and here I will use some parameters like name, gender, date of birth, phone, photo, and ID. Okay, now let's write SQL query in this SQL variable. So here I will write update users table, set name equal to name placeholder, gender column name and gender placeholder, and dob column name and dob phone, photo equal to photo, and here I will use where id equal to placeholder id, and deleted not equal to 0. It means user should not be deleted. And then just prepare the statement. So using this we will use con and prepare SQL. Okay, now just execute this statement. So just use statement variable and then execute. Now bind all the parameters with placeholders. Okay, so here first one is name, so just write name and bind with name variable. Second is gender, so bind with gender variable, gender. Third is date of birth, so write dob and dob. Next is phone, so just write phone, phone, and another one is photo. So just write placeholder text here and photo variable. Okay, last one is id. Now just return true. Okay, return true. Now I will use this method inside process.php file. Okay, but before using this method, I will grab all the values in variables. Okay, like name, gender, date of birth, phone. Okay, so for this I will declare name variable, and using c user object I will use test underscore input method, and I will use super global variable post and just write name. Similarly, like this I will use for gender, so just write gender, and similarly for date of birth, so just use dob. Similarly for phone, just write phone. Now I will also use old image equal to post old image. Okay, now if we go to profile.php file, then here in edit profile form you can see I am also sending an input field with name, old image, and value. Value is equal to c $c photo, and this $c photo is already declared in session.php file. So here in session.php file I am fetching all the details of currently logged in user, and here in c photo I am fetching the photo path of currently logged in user. Okay, so if any photo is already uploaded previously, then we will store the path in this c photo variable. Okay, so that's why here I am using this input field and storing the value of c photo in value attribute, and getting using this old image name value in process.php file. Okay, now what I will do next is I will create a folder inside php folder to store all the images, uploaded images. Okay, so here just click on new folder and write uploads. Now all the image will be uploaded inside this uploads folder. Okay, so for this I will also create a folder variable, and here just write uploads directory name uploads. Okay, now next what I will do is I will use an if statement, then using each set I will check using super global variable files image name. Okay, and then I will use and operator, and again I will use files and then name. Now this time I will check if file is not empty, it means if any file is selected, then what will happen? If any file is selected, then we will execute this if statement. So inside this I will create a new variable new image, and here I will use folder variable, and I will concatenate with $_files, and here I will write image, and here I will write name. Okay, so I will get the image name and concatenate with this upload directory. Okay, so and store in this new image variable. So this will be the path of the uploaded image that will be stored in this new image variable. Okay, now next what I will do is I will use move underscore uploaded underscore file function to move the uploaded file photo into this upload directory. Okay, uploads directory. So here I will use super global variable files and image, and then I will select the temporary location of the file, so tmp underscore name, and here we have to write the destination where we want to send the file, so new image. Okay, new image. Now again here I will check an condition, a condition, if old image not equal to null. It means if already an image is uploaded for an user, then first we will delete the previous image, then we will upload the new image. So for delete the previous image we will use unlink function, and here I will pass old image variable. Okay, so whatever we will store in old image variable, using this unlink function we will delete the image. Okay, now if there is no image is selected in the form, then we will do one thing, that we will assign new image equal to old image. Okay, that's it. And now I will call the update profile method using cuser object update profile, and here I will pass all the variable like name, gender, dob, phone, and here just write new image, and here we have to pass the current ID of logged in user. Okay, so here I will write CID, and this CID is already defined in session.php file. Here you can see CID, and this CID stores the current ID of the logged in user. Okay, now if we go to profile page, then okay, so now if we come here and refresh this page, go to edit profile, now select any file, so I'm selecting this one, and here I will select gender male, and you can write your date of birth and just write some random phone number and click on update profile. So when I click on update profile, then nothing is showing. Now let's refresh this page. Now here when I refresh the page, then you can see the changes. So the profile image has been uploaded and displaying here instead of the dummy image, and here all the details are also displaying like gender male, date of birth, phone. Okay, now if we go to edit profile again, then here also the profile image is displaying, and all the previous values are set in the input fields. Okay, like male, date of birth, and phone. Okay, now again if we just change anything, like again if we just change like this phone number 777-888. Okay, and if we click on update profile, refresh, then here you can see the phone has been updated. Now if we go to the users table, then this user updated with new value like phone, gender, date of birth, and photo. Here you can see the path of the photo has been stored in this photo column. Okay, now if you go here and check the upload folders, then here one image is stored in this upload folder. Okay, now note here you have noticed one thing, when I click on this update profile button, then nothing is happening. but the profile is updated. Okay, so to make some change, when we click on update profile, then let comes to profile.php file, and here I will do one thing is I will use location dot reload function. Okay, now what this do, whenever we click on update profile, then page instantly refresh and we can see the changes instantly. So let's refresh the page and go to edit profile. Let's select another image, this one, and now here I will change the date of birth like 1994, and if I click on update profile, then here you can see no need to refresh page manually. It will automatically refresh and display the updated profile instantly. Okay, so here you can see I have uh, updated this year and the profile image. So the profile and year, profile image and the year is updated here, and if we go to edit profile again, then the previous value are set to the input fields and the profile image is also updated. Okay, and okay, so edit profile is working fine. Now if we go to here and again check the upload folders, then here you can see the previous image is deleted and the new image is uploaded. Okay, so this is this is all about edit profile. Now let's work on change password. So for this we will also send an Ajax request from the profile.php page. So if we just check the change password form, then here you can see this is the form tag of change password, and here I will use an ID, sorry, change hyphen pass hyphen form. Okay, so now I will use this change hyphen pass hyphen form ID in jQuery code. Okay, now let's come here and here I will write, sorry, change password Ajax request. Okay, and here what I will do is I will select change pass btn. Okay, now if we go to the form again, then here we have created a button with ID change pass btn. Okay, so I am using this button. So when the button is clicked, so here I will use click event function, and then here I will pass a parameter e here. Okay, now again I will validate the form. So here I will use if, then select the form using ID. So change hyphen pass hyphen form, and here just use 0 dot check validity. Okay, check validity. Now inside this, first we will prevent the page to refresh. So just, sorry, prevent default method, and now again here I will grab the change pass button and I will change the value. Please wait, and next what I will do is I will check these two password is matched or not, this new password and confirm new password. Okay, so here what I will do is I will use if statement, and then I will select the new pass. Now if we come here in change password form, then here you can see this is the new password input field, and this is confirm new password input field, and here I have used an ID new password, and here I have used c new pass, and here I have used c new pass. Okay, sorry, new pass, and here I have used c new pass. Okay, So I will use both IDs here to compare the password. Okay, so here I will use well, and then I will check not equal to the value of c new pass dot well. Then what will happen, so I will just select change pass error. Okay, change pass error ID, and here I will use text function, and in text function I will write password did not matched. Okay, and we have to display this message somewhere in the form. So just copy the ID and come to the form. So this is confirm new password. So here I will create one more div with form group, and inside this I will create a p tag with ID, and here just use some Bootstrap class text danger. Okay, now what I will do next is I will just select this and paste, and this time I will change the text again to change password. Okay, now if we save this and go to the browser and refresh and go to change password, if I write any current password here, any new password, and confirm password differently, then here we can see password did not matched. Okay, so this is working fine. Now in else part, what I will do is I will send the Ajax request if both the password will match. Okay, so just write Ajax function. Now here I will use URL assets / php / process.php, and method I will use post method, and data, so I will send all the form data. So I will select the form, change pass form dot serialize, and I will send an extra string action equal to change underscore pass. Okay, now I will create success function, and here I will use response parameter. For now I am just using console.log, and here I will pass response to display the response. Now let's go to process.php file, and here I will handle the Ajax request for change password. So here I will write some comment first, handle change password Ajax request. Okay, and here I will use if it's set, and here I will use super global variable post action, and here I will check the value of action equal to change pass. If the value of action will be change pass, then only this if statement will execute. Okay, now for I will use print r and use super global variable post, and let's check that we are getting the value back from the server or not. Okay, so just open the console, go to change password, write some current password. Okay, sorry, so we have to write 1 2 3 4 5. Both the password should be matched and click on changed password. So we are getting current password, new password, and confirm new password. Okay, so our Ajax request is working fine. Now what I will do next is just remove this. For changing password, we have to create a new method inside auth.php file. So let's come here and let's quickly create a new method for change password. So here I will write some comment, change password of an user. Okay, public function change password. Okay, and here I will use pass and id. Okay, now just write SQL statement into this SQL variable, update users set password equal to pass where id equal to placeholder id and deleted not equal to 0. Okay, now let's create one statement variable equal to this and con. I will use prepare method and pass the SQL variable here. Now let's execute the statement, execute and bind all the parameters here, pass id and just write id. Okay, just use return true. Now I will use this change password in process.php file. Okay, so first what I will do here, I will grab all the password. So for this I will create some variable. For current password I will use current pass equal to super global variable post, and here I will write the name attribute value cur pass. Okay, and then I will use new pass equal to post new pass and see new pass equal to see new pass. Okay, now I will also create another variable h new pass, and this will be hashed password. Okay, so here I will use password underscore hash function, and here I will use new password, and then I will use password default algorithm. Okay, now again here I will check an if statement that if new password is not equal to the see new password, then we will display an error message in alert. So here I will use see user object and then call show message function, and here I will use danger alert type, and here I will write password did not matched. Okay, now if the password is matched, then we will use else statement, and here I will also check the current password, and here I will verify the current password is matched with the already stored password in the database or not. So here I will use password underscore verify function, and here I will pass current pass current password, and in hash I will use cpass. Okay, now this cpass is already defined in session.php file. Here you can see cpass. So I am selecting all the user details that is logged in. So password is also fetched in this session.php file, so I am using this cpass here in process.php file to match with the current password. Okay, so if both the current password entered here in this in this password field will be matched with the previous password, then we will do another things like change the password. So here I will use cuser object and then call change underscore password method, and here I'll pass h new pass, and here I will use cid current id of the logged in user. Okay, now again here I will use echo, and using cuser I will again call show message, and here I will use success alert type, and then I will write password changed successfully. Okay, and if the current password with the previous password did not matched, then we will use else statement, and here we will display some error message cuser show message alert type will be danger, and here we will write current password is wrong or incorrect. Okay, so now this code has been finished. Now let's go to browser and refresh. Now let's try to change the password. So before changing a password, let's log out from this. Now this user has password 12345. Okay, now if you try to log in with another password, then let's see what happens. So here you can see password is incorrect, so the correct password is 12345. Okay, now if we click on sign in, then you can see we are able to sign in. Okay, now if you just go to profile.php page and go to change password. Now here just we have to write the current password. So our current password is 12345. Okay, so not not here I will write the correct one. Okay, so here I am writing some random password, and in new password just write 12345 and some other password, and let's see what happens. So here you can see password did not matched. So if I write 12345 and click on change password, then okay, so we have to do something more in profile.php file. So just in success function, let's remove this console.log, and here what I will do is I will use change pass alert id, and here I will use html function and pass the response here. Okay, and I will also change the value of the button from please wait to change password again. So just paste, and I will also set the this message empty. So just select empty message here. I will also reset the form. So just select the form, change pass form, and 0 dot reset. Now we have to create this div somewhere in the form, so just select the id and go here. Now here I will create a div with id change pass alert. Okay, now just save, go to the browser, refresh. Now go to change password. Now let's write incorrect current password. Okay, and here I will write 123455. okay, 123455 and click on change password. Okay, so here you can see current password is wrong. Okay, so our current password is 12345. okay, so let's write 12345 and now let's write new password. So here I am writing wolfmania. Okay, so wolfmania. okay, and here we have to write the same password, wolfmania. okay, now if we click on change password, then you can see password changed successfully. Okay, now if we log out again and if we sign in with previous password, then let's see what happens. So now here you can see password is incorrect. Okay, so this 12345 password is no longer available for this user, so we have to write the uh, latest password that we have just changed. So just write wolfmania. okay, and click on sign in. So you can see we are not now able to sign in. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to verify email of an user. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share this video and also subscribe my channel. See you soon in next video.